Did you know you can actually use your iPhone camera as a video source in OBS Studio without having to buy all those expensive cameras? Well, some people know about this, but not everyone knows how to do it correctly. So in this video, I'm going to be saving you money by teaching you how to set it up correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your OBS Studio is updated to the latest version. And if you don't have it installed, head over to obsproject.com. Click on download, select your operating system, in this case, Mac. You need to ensure that your iPhone is updated to iOS 16 or later, and your Mac is updated to Ventura or later. If you want to learn how to update your Mac to Sonoma, check out this video. These updates will ensure that the continuity camera feature works, which is needed for you to set up your iPhone as a camera on OBS. Next, open the settings on your iPhone, search for continuity camera, ensure that you have this switch turned on. If you are having troubles, switch it off and turn it on again. You should then get a prompt asking you to enable the continuity camera. The continuity camera works wirelessly, so you don't need to connect your iPhone to your Mac except you're running out of battery. Next, open your OBS Studio, select your scene or create a new one like this. Then, in Sources, click the plus icon and select Video Capture Device. Enter a suitable name and hit OK. Now you have to choose the device. Select your iPhone's camera. The option that has your iPhone name plus camera is the right one. To ensure you have the best quality, you can purchase any of these continuity camera stands or tripod. I have added the links to the description. If you want to learn how to set up depth of field blur to make your videos look even more professional, watch this video next.